a website about the House Cup, and we had some ideas to include a leaderboard, a description about the House Cup for anybody that might not know what it is, as well as previous winners for events that we've done this year, previous winners from different years, and we did this by using HTML code as the structure of our website, and have all the elements that make up what you would think a website is, as well as CSS to style it and make it look how it looks, and JavaScript to do the image slider and the countdown, which is all done locally. It's just a really fun thing to do, learn new languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and seeing the final product of a finished website with everything that you wanted on it is just very satisfactory. I believe we extended a lot on what would be expected of us to do, which was overall really fun to breach into that new area of something that you don't know of.
Project is called Hunger Games Beware the Call, and it is based off of the classic dystopian sci-fi series by Suzanne Collins. We have taken it and we have created a spin-off story, and today we are showcasing our first 5 chapters. The reason we're wearing this is to show what our characters look like, because these pictures don't really show them what they look like, but we have an idea and so we'd like to show them informal. Yes, I absolutely enjoyed this project with my friends because it was enjoyable as we got to work with AI and play with it together, and sharing our ideas is the most memorable moment of the week. We have Nova, Copilot, Adobe and Sidekick to help us do our AI work, and they helped us bring our stories to life.
We are making a Mars base on Mars to sustain and have life to live on Mars, because Earth is getting polluted and overtaken. So we're trying to start a new population on Mars for people to live on.
So we had to go through processes of building different rockets to get there, and then we started designing bases, and then we began our Minecraft so that kids could interact with our and see how to sustain life on Mars. So yeah, we went through a lot of planning to try and build the project in Minecraft.
What I liked about the project is that we got to look at different Mars bases, have an idea of what we were supposed to make, then try to make it better than that. And that's what we really tried to do here for our base.
In the future, I would like to discover astronomy because I can learn new planets, exoplanets, about space and how the solar system works, and also how we can sustain life on other planets.
Project is fast fashion. We're learning about how terrible it is for the environment when people just throw out clothes without thinking. We've been trying to remake stuff by making these out of socks, and behind us we've repurposed some clothes or t-shirts that we might as well just thrown out because we didn't really wear them, and we're reselling some clothes. We have our own little op shop. We're doing some sewing classes with some scrap pieces that might as well have gone in the bin, and we've just been trying to really make sure that not much clothes go into the landfill. you don't have any clothes that you don't want and is in good condition, maybe you should donate it to charity and people that actually need it if you don't want it. And also to try to also rewear clothes and just try to fix them if you don't want them. And if not, always give them to people that actually need it.
So our project is based on fitness, and we're trying to encourage kids to work out and be healthy.
Our project's mainly to inform people what benefits of HIIT workouts are.
HIIT stands for high intensity interval training, which is a way to burn fat and increase muscle in a short amount of time. It has the same benefits of a long workout, just in shorter time to save time.
We have learned a lot in this project. The things that we have learned in this project is the different types of push-ups. The push-ups that we have learned
are, some of them are called diamond push-ups, as we have here, clap, and pike push-ups. They're all different types of push-ups that have different difficulties, and all are really hard to complete.
The reason I picked this project is because it's the most entertaining for me, and I wanted to try something new out.
Project is about like erasers that want to get revenge on like students in kindergarten because they've been used too much. I really enjoyed making the characters and the setting. I really liked it. I would learn to like pay attention to more smaller details and how not to get annoyed when things aren't too perfect and what you have in mind. That not everything can always turn out the way you want it, like because you don't have the materials, or it like won't turn out like how you imagine it.
Look, it is very impressive. Harren's worked very hard on this one, haven't you, Harren? So what Harren discovered was that his PS4 had a little crack in the case, and the inside still worked well, didn't it? And so what he decided to do was that he needed a better case for it. Luckily for him, what did you have lying around at home?
A microwave.
An old microwave, and he thought, no, I'm going to decorate this as well. So we pulled apart a couple of modems and a couple of TVs, and that weren't working anymore, weren't we? And then we used these the circuit boards from them to decorate it. Will the PS4 still work, Harren?
Yes.
Absolutely it will. So I think he's done a really good job. He's worked really hard on it. And it's just a way that we can recycle, reinvent and reinvigorate old technology, isn't it?
Yes.
Thanks, Harren.
In industrial technology skills, we have, in the first term, we made a pencil case. We used wood, and with the wood we cut a right angle and we used nails to put them together. Then we used a laser to cut out a design on our plastic lids. Then we used screw guns and nails to screw them into our wood project.
So I found it very fun and creative because you were really just like, there weren't any boundaries that you had apart from the picture having to be appropriate. You were also able to paint the box any colour you chose. Overall, it was just a really fun project. In the second term, we also got to make tangram puzzles, which we're challenging the kids with right now.
In high school, I would love to do more projects like this. In Year 7, we are going to be allowed to make a lamp. I do look forward to doing some more industrial technology skills in senior school.
I recommend this to anybody who is really creative and likes doing like hard work. It's challenging, but it's also very fun.